The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party has been slamming the Congress after the Grand Old Party announced that its top leaders would not attend the Ram Temple consecration ceremony in Ayodhya. The BJP called the Congress anti-Ram after the party declared that top leaders Mallikarjuna Kharge, Sonia Gandhi and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary were not going to Ayodhya on January 22nd. In a letter shared on its official handle, Congress termed the mega consecration ceremony an RSS BJP event. Congress alleged that the RSS and the BJP have turned the temple in Ayodhya into a political project. The BJP lashed out at the Congress, saying that the party's stand and its allies have been regularly insulting Hindus and Sanatana Dharma. A day after harsh criticism from the BJP, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah endorsed the Congress High Command's decision not to attend the ceremony of Ram Temple in Ayodhya, saying the BJP has turned a religious event into a political affair. He also pointed out that 4 Shankaracharyas are reported to have boycotted the consecration of the temple in protest against the misuse of the Ram Mandir for politics. The Ram Temple in Ayodhya will be inaugurated on January 22nd with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and over 6,000 people including celebrities, industrialists and others expected to attend the ceremony. The first phase of the Ram Temple is nearing completion and preparations are in full swing for the big day.